Welcome everyone to this week's assembly. We hope that you enjoyed your February break last week, and we're really excited to have you all back on campus, for those of you who are here. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and start off this week's assembly with a special collection of photographs from Mrs. Gresstrom's class, showing what some of the students were able to do during break. Hope you enjoy.
Hi, it's Mrs. Rogers with another book talk, and this is Scout. She is not a very good reader, but she is a great gopher hunter. So today, the first book I want to talk to you about is The Year of Impossible Goodbyes by Sut Chow. And this is a story about a young girl in North Korea during World War II. It's her struggle with her living conditions with her mother and her brother, and her father's in prison. And it's a great read. I really enjoyed it. I think that this also would be a great book for any parents who want to read. So it's a great story. The next book I want to talk about is Wings of Fire by Tootie Sutherland. This is a really great book. In fact, it's a series. It has 14 books right now, maybe even 15. And this is the first one of it. It takes a little bit to get into the first couple chapters because there's a lot of names to remember and character development, but just keep going, get to chapter 3 or 4, and I guarantee you will not be able to put these books down. I'm on book 6 right now. I know many of our students are all the way to book 12 and have already read the series twice. So if you're looking for a good book, some good entertainment, and some good reading, try The Wings of Fire. All right, that's it for today. You can check out books from the school library now by emailing me and letting me know which book you want. I put a link into your Google Classroom with my email address and a link to our school library. You can also order one more week at the Follett Book Fair. And that's it for today. So from Scout and me, happy reading.
Okay, our organized recess activity for next week is going to be a modified version of lacrosse. Lacrosse is normally played, it's a really competitive game, played all the way through the collegiate level, but for us getting started here this next week, we're actually just going to be playing it on the basketball courts. Again, 4th through 6th grade students will have access to lacrosse. Basically, the trick of lacrosse is you hold it like so, and you use this sort of motion to throw the ball. Probably good, we'll have you guys practice throwing and catching a little bit first, and then we'll set up some goals in the basketball courts, and you can use just the basketball court area. That'll help chase down the balls so they don't get too far away. It'll also make it really lively because the balls do bounce. So that's kind of how you catch it, like so. And again, you can pass it really hard or soft this way, depending on how hard you flick your wrists. Okay, so that's the cross. We'll go 4 to a side. We'll have 2 courts set up for you to be able to try it out. So I hope you enjoy.
The best thing I think about working at Coors Gold School is definitely the staff. I feel like we're just one big family. I feel like I've been really welcomed into the new position. The longer I'm getting to know the kids, I think we have amazing kids. It's nice to build relationships with all of them. And definitely Mr. Johnson's laugh cracks me up. It can be heard from across the campus. And something I want the students to know about me. This may come off a little bit silly, but I am afraid of cows and horses. What I like to do when I'm not at school is be outdoors. I love to camp, kayak, hike, anything in the water. I'm a fish, so yeah, that's what I do when I'm not at school.
Congratulations to this week's postcard winners. Nice job, students. We'll go ahead and I've got them all here again for the random drawing for a prize. Really cool sticker. Winner this week is Mackenzie. So, Mackenzie, next time you're on campus, come on by the office and collect your prize. Congratulations, everyone. Okay, that's all that we have for this week. No pet videos this week. If you want to share your pet, please go ahead and send an email with a video about you and your pet and why they're awesome to your teacher or to me, and we'll see if we can get some more pet videos included. If not, we'll move on to a different feature for these. All right, you guys have a great week.